Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to sell the Worldcoin. It's easy to get this token sold. All you need to do is simply click on the deposit option. That's click on deposit. Once you select the deposit, click on I have crypto assets. But before you can do any of this, please make sure you have an account on Binance. If you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates. So guys, you've gotten yourself a verified account. How can you sell your Worldcoin tokens? Click on the deposit option, select deposit crypto, and now when you simply search for WLD, you would find the Worldcoin. Select the Worldcoin and select the network you wish to deposit it in. And once you've deposited your World tokens here, head to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the overview, simply scroll to the spot or funding, depending on where your Worldcoin tokens are stored. As you can see, I've got some Worldcoin tokens. Head to the home section and select the convert icon. So once you've selected convert, we're going to be converting from the Worldcoin. That's click on the USDT drop down, select Worldcoin, and what we're converting it to is the USDT. So select USDT US, select the USDT, enter the amount of Worldcoin tokens you wish to convert into, and click on preview conversion. Click on convert. By doing this, you successfully converted your Worldcoin tokens to USDT, which is basically selling your Worldcoin tokens. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.